Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Snapchat link to your Facebook. So let's get started right away. Go ahead and open up the Snapchat application first. And now, once you're in the home page, you can find your Snapchat account link by simply tapping on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now, you have various different options of sharing your profile. Simply tap on the share button at the top right corner and you can directly share your Snap code within various apps. You can click on the copy option and the link will be copied to your clipboard. Now if you slide this to the right, you will also find the Facebook option, which you can tap on to directly share from the Facebook app. After you have copied it to your clipboard, you can simply go into your Facebook profile and then paste your Snapchat account link. And now every time someone taps on your account link from your Facebook account, they will be redirected to your Snapchat account and they can directly add you. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your Snapchat link to your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.